Hi, I'm Ken Lebo with InsurTech Express, and today I want to talk about the IE commission blockchain that we've designed that solves a huge industry problem in commission accounting. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted anything about that, and if there's a webinar that we did for Nelba a couple years ago, and I'll put the link in the post where you can really watch the details of the problem we're solving in the industry, in the independent brokerage space, and the solution that we've come up with that we're seeking investment for to develop it. But something huge happened, and I want to share it with you guys. I'm going to try not to be technical here, but the heart of the solution is around the smart contract, which is basically developing if you look at a normal producer contract with the hierarchy that you build in, the commission schedule you assign to the agent for that particular carrier, getting that set up using code seemed to be like the heart, the wow factor of what we're going to be doing on this blockchain. And it would take a developer building out templates, setting up all these contracts for all these carriers, and then assigning them to agents from the agency as they go to contract agents and getting that set up with the carrier so that everything can be validated when commissions are paid. And that solves a huge reconciliation problem and also a validation problem that the carrier's paying the agent and the agency correctly. So thought about building a prototype and playing around with it a little bit, but I last night I just had this revelation. I said, let me go to ChatGPT and let me see if I explain to ChatGPT that I want to build a smart contract for commission accounting blockchain, and I have a carrier with an NIC number, I have a BGA with a GA number, and I have an agent that I want to set up. And then I have a commission schedule with a product, like a 20-year term product that pays first year only 80% commission street level, and that's a street level name contract. Assign it to this agent, set up this agent in this hierarchy, and tell ChatGPT to do that. And what will happen? And ask it to create the smart contract code for me. And amazingly, immediately, it understood what I wrote, and it created the code, and it did it in Pragma Solidity, which is sounds kind of technical, but which is basically it's a basic Ethereum contract syntax that's used for coding, and now all you need is an Oracle, which is like a chain link that will create connecting the data, the commission data that the carrier sends against this smart contract to validate are they paying it right, and on the agency side to reconcile the commissions and decide if they need and determine if they need to pay anybody an override out of house on that. It's amazing, and I got to tell you that I didn't use a developer or anyone. I just asked ChatGPT to write it, and it did it in seconds. And imagine if we build templates and set up all of our agents, all of these contracts, and have these services in place. This will change the entire industry. The ecosystem will be just tremendous. So, yep, I got a little emotional about it, a little choked up, but I just want to tell you that this is a game changer. Anyone interested in learning more, investing in this, talking about it, we're talking about completely changing the industry. So thank you.